Today I'll be showing you how to change your grill on your Yukon Dinali, or if you have a base model Yukon and you want to put this grill on, I'm gonna show you how. The reason I'm changing mine, because look at this one, the chrome looks all faded. So this is the reason why we're putting a brand new grill on there. Anyways, you have two nipples here, one there, another one right here. Let's jump to the other side. You got one right here and another one right here. Now let me show you. Right behind this grill, you have clips. They're all right here and more at the bottom. Okay, let's get under the truck now. You don't need no other tools, that's it. Now put all the nipples where they go, 2 on each side. Now let's go behind the grill. You're gonna push the teeth down on top like this, every single one of them. And now you're gonna do the bottoms. You're gonna push those up. And right after this, you're done. That's it. If you like the video, like and subscribe.